film me. This is freaking, it is as good as it gets right now.
Dude, you're shivering.
I know, I forgot that, it feels like winter at Aliso right now. I haven't felt this cold wind come out of the canyon for a very long time.
I just want to put it out there because Blair made fun of me because I put pants on before leaving the house. And he was like, it's warm, I'm going to put board shorts on, it's so warm.
It's supposed to be 81 degrees today.
Yeah, but
so,
it's like 59 right now.
It is.
And like for Virginia's 59 is freezing.
I forgot about how cold Aliso is, dude. Oh my, look at this. Look at this next one. Ooh. This one might be surfable actually, Andre. Go Kai! Oh my, he's going. Oh, yeah! Oh my!
Dude, that was sick.
It's pretty much all time Aliso. And I ain't lying, this is just as good as it gets. Beautiful front side. Oh God, oh my, oh!
Dude, that was lofty.
It's a gnarly place to throw a 3-shove, coming back onto the sand. Yeah, this is it. If you're a skimboarder and you're regular foot, today's the day. It's just such good waves for doing that wrap. And we've been doing pretty much nothing but wraps. When you get a day like this, you gotta take full advantage of it. Run yourself into the ground. So I'm gonna be skimming here for a while. It is gorgeous. It's just getting like glacier too. Glassy and warm. It's supposed to be 80 degrees today. And the water's beautiful. Beautiful blue. One of those days. just having a day. It was really cold when we first got here. Offshore winds were like 50 degrees out the canyon, and now it is already, look at this guy. This is my first bite of food this whole morning. Came out here straight coffee. Oh, it was not a good call. But we are gonna go change into the board shorts because this wetsuit's a little constraining. So we're enjoying bed, banana, put on some sunscreen, and keep it going.
Dude, that was sick. That's the speed on that one.
I think I was going the fastest I ever gone on my skimboard.
That was sick.
Yeah, I think had a nice little ramp on it. I kind of wish I just did a turn though, instead of trying to alley-oop. I should have just bottom turn and done a huge old frontside schwack. Next time. Next time.
Dude, that was really
Oh my
sick.
gosh. This is as good as it gets, dude. That wave was so blue, pretty. It's going so fast, it was great. My legs are absolutely fried. I don't know, we've been down here for a minute now. Been down here for probably like 300 minutes. It's been an incredible day. This is like, really is, I'd say, one of the better days I've skimmed Aliso. Just everything came together. Sun's out, it's glassy, waves are phenomenal. And you gotta keep going when it's like this. Tomorrow it's probably gonna be absolute junk, who knows? Glad we're down here, for sure.
I'm sure surf lines are enough.
Yeah, that's for darn sure. Yeah, it was funny. Yesterday was really good too. And it's very rare that you get a really good day and then the next day is somehow better. That's what happened though. Yes, it's exactly what happened today. It was really good yesterday, but somehow today it's even better. So it's something special. And my legs are about to just be done. I'm gonna go get some mustard packets and just down them. If you don't know about mustard, look it up. Mustard for cramps. It's a savior. People don't believe me, but just look it up. Just look it up.
You should also look it up eating properly.